Hello folks, Dave Schulke here with the Twin Home Experts. Wanted to take a moment and offer some awesome tips when it comes to drilling that ceiling. So let's get right to it. I've been to so many jobs where I see holes being drilled and just dust going everywhere. And it's a pain in the ass. Why? Well, you gotta figure getting a vacuum, depending on where you're drilling. Sometimes you gotta drill over a bed or furniture. You don't want that stuff going everywhere. So I know that there's a lot of YouTube videos out there that show that you can cut a basketball in half or all these other makeshift, and you know, those are better than nothing. But if you want something that's going to protect your ceilings and actually do a good job with actually collecting every piece of dust, you might want to consider one of these. It is the Driller's Dust Bowl. It's very flexible and it's specifically made for a drill motor. It actually attaches to the chuck very well, so you're not going to get all that movement. More importantly, again, it's flexible, but as it's rubbing up against the ceiling or any wall material that you have, it's not going to damage it. Now, something like this can range anywhere from about 10 to 25 bucks, depending on where you get it. But let's go ahead and show you in action how it works.
So what we've done already is we've marked out where we're going to cut in our new recessed light, and steps that you want to take next is to place your driller's dust bowl in place, and being that it's flexible, you pull it down in order to set your counter bit, and at that point your starter bit will place your hole saw perfectly centered. With the dust bowl being flexible and the integrated grommet, it prevents the movement from damaging the ceiling. And we've cut our new recessed hole in. All of the dust and debris is captured inside the dust bowl, leaving no residue behind.
Hopefully this was a helpful tip. And as always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hey, give us thumbs up and leave your comments. Also, hit that subscribe button. Thank you, folks.